I'm Nico Halili and welcome to The Score, where we tackle the hottest and trending topics in sports. The 2019 NBA All-Star Game lived up to the hype as Team LeBron beat Team Giannis 178 to 164. Team Giannis led for most of the game before Team LeBron made a furious comeback in the second half, led by Damian Lillard, Kevin Durant, and Klay Thompson. Giannis Antetokounmpo led all scorers with 38 points, while Durant scored 31 for Team LeBron and en route to being named All-Star Game MVP. Joining us today to talk about everything that happened during the All-Star Weekend, including the slam dunk contest and the three-point shootout, we have Bo Belga of the Rain or Shine Alaska Painters and PBA legend Jerry Cordillera. Hi guys, and welcome back to The Score. Okay, NBA All-Star Weekend is officially over, and then earlier today they played the All-Star Game, and as expected, high scoring, wala masyadong depensahan. And I wonder kasi parang after every year, talagang pawala na yung depensa sa All-Star Game. And I wonder, Jerry, if ganun ba talaga All-Star Game na parang it's really all about the offense and then let's just don't defend each other anymore?
Miko, hindi naman siguro they don't defend. It's just siguro yung first two quarters. I noticed lang, first two quarters, puro medyo freewheeling muna. Let the fans get involved. Masaya muna, enjoy sila ro sa game, you know. They wanna see the dunk, yung mga highlights, highlight move. Pero pagdating ng third and fourth, medyo humahapit as yung the game na matatapos na medyo pansin mo medyo dumidiin na ng konti.
Ikaw ba, Bo, naniniwala ka na an All-Star Game should just be about the offense and less on the defense?
Hindi siguro. Tulad nung sinabi ni Kuya Jerry, ano lang, yung sa first half, medyo freewheeling, more on highlights, more on, kumbaga, pakita kung ano yung mga, para sa fans, yung first half. Pagdating ng second half, yun, doon na talaga pumupukpok.
Oh, actually, nakita mo, dino-double team na nga si Steph nung dulo. Ayaw nilang makahabol, makalamang ulit yung Team Giannis. And pride, how much pride is at stake pag ganitong, because the two of you have been in All-Star Games, and how much pride is at stake pag lahat ng magaling sa isang liga are in the same place, in the same game?
Yung overwhelming yung pride niya, mga yan. They may be smiling, patawa-tawa yan, pag ganun-ganun yan, pero makita mo yan sa loob ng court. Talagang they're very competitive. You know, with the brands na nakalagay na they carry, yung West, yung composition ng team, maraming at stake dyan eh. And it's really business. Kaya that's why ayaw rin nilang matatalo.
Kasi ako, like, I wonder if, kunyari, kung ikaw bumabatay kay James Harden, pag tumodo ka, baka madapa ka eh. Baka ma-ankle breaker ka eh. So parang hindi na allowed yung depensa, baka mapahiya pa sa All-Star Game.
Siguro, yun nga. Yung pride, siyempre may kanya-kanyang pride kayo. It's, kumbaga, star ka pa sa star yun. So, it's up to you kung paano mo i-handle yung pride na yun. Kung ipaglalaban mo o makikisama ka na lang, makikigulo ka na lang.
Kevin Durant winning the All-Star Game MVP. And syempre, ang tanong dito is this going to be his last All-Star Game as a member of the Warriors? Kasi, syempre, bali-balita na baka lilipat na siya. May mga nagsasabi na he might go to the Knicks or ganito, ganyan. Sa tingin mo ba, Jerry, ito na ang last All-Star Game niya as a member of Golden State?
I think so. He might move. Kasi kung nagawa niyang mag-move nung nakaraan, hindi malayong mag-move siya ulit. And there will be offers, siyempre. And again, it's business. Kung medyo hard to refuse na offer yon, talagang, di ba, goodbye, Bombay.
Okay, let's shift to the other events. I think in particular, the slam dunk contest. Kasi yan yung highly anticipated yung slam dunk contest. And, well, let's just say na it wasn't as hyped up as it was in previous years. So ano ba naging problema ng slam dunk contest this year, Bo?
Ako siguro, lack doon sa personal na, yung mga kasali.
The personality of the participants.
Kasi I think, pwede mo ulitin si Donovan Mitchell eh. Pwede mong ilagay si Zach LaVine eh. Aaron Gordon.
Pero kung ayaw nila sumali, what can you do?
Wala magagawa yung liga.
Jerry, ano ba naging problema ng slam dunk contest?
Siguro, yung familiarity ron sa nagko-compete. Siyempre, gusto nila, they can relate to the players na yung particular na yung sinasabi ni Bo na dumadunk, pwede ring tawagin ulit para lang, to add konting yung competition do sa slam dunk.
Kasi what do you do when you can't attract the big names, 'di ba? Ito yung sabi mo nga, the dunkers with personalities, the dunkers na yung wala pa silang ginagawa, na excite na yung mga
Excite
tao.
na.
The participants from for this year's slam dunk contest, siguro nung nanonood ka po, baka ginugol mo pa eh.
Nagulat ako dun sa participants. Wala as in, hindi ko, kilala ko yung yung Smith, but the other guys.
The other guys hindi. And that was a problem as a viewer.
Siyempre, kasi magtataka ka eh. Sino to? Kasali sa slam dunk, di ba? You didn't even know him, you didn't see him for the rest of yung first half ng elimination, and then all of a sudden kasali sa slam dunk. Siyempre, as a viewer, magtataka ka. Ba't nandito to?
So like kunyari, if a guy like Hamidou Diallo dunks over Shaq, kayo ba, were you guys impressed with that dunk? Over Shaq and then elbow on the rim. Mahirap yun, ha?
Yes, yun ang variation, yung elbow niya, which is ginawa before ni Vince Carter. Pero the others, yung walang variation eh. Yung something, you have to offer something para kahit na hindi ka kilala, di ba? Baka may mawaw yung mga tao eh.
Mapahanga mo yung
Nang hinahing nga ako eh. Naawa ako doon sa eroplano eh. Nasira eh.
Binalik na lang nila si Vince Carter.
Sayang yung... Actually, kung si Vince Carter sumali, baka ang dami natin pag-uusapan eh.
Sinali mo si Dwayne Wade tsaka si Nowitzki sa Ba't di mo isali si...
Okay, so here's a question then. How come hindi makuha-kuha na NBA yung big names to join na slam dunk contest? Bakit ayaw ng mga superstar na sumali apparently?
Yun ang question dun.
Well, marami silang siyempre. Marami na silang, if they tried it once, siguro they want to give chance to others.
Sa ayaw na nila umulit.
They have nothing to prove. Subukan na nila. Same goes when you play sa national team nila. Sometimes yung iba nagbe-beg off.
Bagay, yun din yung dahilan yung dalawa, no? For not joining the slam dunk contest, no? Beg off, give chance to...
Sila na lang.
Yeah, sila na lang
Okay
give chance to others. All right, we're not yet done with Jericho Tinier and Bo Belga. When we return, we'll discuss the PBA Legends' return of their rivals, exhibition games that turned out to be a blockbuster hit, so don't go away.